I can't make it. I got to put it back the way it was. It's such a cool car with cool history. So that's part of my addiction, part of my problem. Well, we've got a lot of work ahead of us on this. What's up, Purist? This is Bob from Purist Motorsports. I've got, as of today, let's count, 14 days? Yeah, 14 days to get this whipped into shape. It is, unbeknownst to us when we bought it, we had no clue that this car had such a cool history, but it is a dealer supercharged B303 cam. I mean, it had all kinds of mods added at the dealership at Bleakley Ford. It's a Bleakley Ford Impressor. We're trying to put it back into its state when it left the dealer to the first owner. There's so much to do. The dash has actually got a split in it, so the bezel doesn't hold down. The supercharger's got to go back on it. We've got to change the radiator out to a stock radiator. We did change this once because the radiator that was in it was not something we liked. Yeah, so lots of work left to do. It's still got to have decals put on it. We did get the seat done. Check out that right there. We were able to get it all put back together using a couple of different seats to make this one look nice. Well, the console's got to come out. We've got to replace a piece on it. Yeah, 14 days plus we're actually going to pick up the next project, so stay tuned for it. Yeah, there's a lot of work. I didn't really honestly know when I bought this that it was going to be like this. I really wanted to just make a Vortex supercharged 93 Saleen looking car. I can't make it. I got to put it back the way it was. It's such a cool car with cool history. So that's part of my addiction, part of my problem. Parts are in the paint shop. The hood's over in the paint shop now. So is the wing. The hatch is next. So paint and body, interior work, supercharger and engine, decals. Yeah, there's a lot left to do in 14 days. So we'll stay tuned and see how we do with this. So as always, whether you're driving them or restoring them, always enjoy them. Peace.